All right, it's time for the three big things you need to know. Pay attention because this can impact a lot of us. First of all, where do you go to search for homes on the internet? Do you go to Zillow? I think a lot of people do. The problem is that Zillow is becoming quite the little monster. Now, they're under a lawsuit right now for deceptive practices and kickbacks. So when you go to Zillow and you choose a real estate agent on Zillow, that real estate agent, if they're a flex or premier agent, which is a part of their club, has to pay Zillow up to 70%. You heard me, 70% of the commission. That leaves them 30% for the agent to then split that 50% with their broker. It's insane. And what they're doing is they're now penalizing the real estate agent if they don't refer that business to Zillow Home Loans. So then they're saying, well, we're going to cut you off, or we're not going to give you as many leads, or we're not going to include you in the club. So I'm going to tell you something. When you steer business in that direction, when you steer business to anyone, you eliminate the consumer's opportunity for choice. And that's never a good thing. So if you're looking for a real estate agent, don't pick a real estate agent that's paying a commission to somebody else just for getting the lead. Come to me. I'll connect you with a great real estate agent, an expert in your area, and somebody that I have personally vetted. And they don't pay me 1 red cent for that referral. You know who they pay? They pay you. That's right. Up to 25% of their commission, up to $10,000. So don't go to a real estate agent that's having to pay for your lead. Go to a real estate agent that's going to pay you for the lead. Second big thing you need to know. Well, Trump has been talking about a 50-year mortgage. Well, I looked at this. 50-year mortgages. Think about this. 50 years ago, 1975. What were prices in 1975? I can tell you one thing. My daddy was a builder, and he was building beautiful homes in Maitland for about $50,000 to $60,000. Those same houses right now would sell for $750,000 to $800,000. So that time just literally erodes money. And I looked at the savings that you would get, and you have to remember, the point of a 50-year mortgage would be for affordability, to reduce the payments so more people can qualify. But at the end of the day, it didn't seem to work. I only saw about $136 a month savings on a $400,000 mortgage. Now, you have to keep in mind, the longer the term of the mortgage, the higher the interest rate's going to be. For instance, 15-year mortgages are the lowest possible rate. Then you got 20, a little bit higher. Then you got 30, a little higher. What will they be on a 50-year mortgage? I think they're going to be about a 0.5 point to 3/4 of a point higher than a 30-year mortgage. So that defeats the whole purpose. And the third big thing you need to know, what is the market doing? If you recall, we wanted a 1/4 point rate cut on October the 29th, and we got it. But we were expecting another quarter in December. Now the Fed's pulling that away, saying they're concerned more about inflation, and interest rates are worse today than they were the day before the Fed cut the Fed rate. And the stock market's down by 475 points. What in the world is going on here? I can tell you this much. It's going to get better. Just be patient. For those of you that want to refinance, just hold off for just a little bit longer. Get on my VIP list. I'll tell you when it's a good time for you to lock your rate in. For those of you that are purchasing, let's really come up with a strategy that's going to work best for you. My name's Bruce Woodburn. I'm the Loan Arranger. You can call me anytime. I'm available. I look forward to helping you. If you have any questions as a real estate agent, as a client, you wanting to buy in any state in the United States, I'm right here to help you. Or refinance. Have a great weekend.